style sheet and link it in the head of the HTML file, which I already downloaded from GitHub. As you can see, it's popping up. Hello everybody and welcome. This is Coding Adventures, and in today's video we're going to learn and apply on a very simple application on CSS. We're just gonna create a simple button using HTML and style it and add to it an hover effect in CSS. So this is gonna be a very easy and simple application for beginners who are new to CSS and HTML and want to apply their basic knowledge and create a simple project. So let's then go and start directly. Now let's create our file. So as you can see, we're going to create a file from here by clicking on new file, or by just click on file and new file from here and name the file index or whatever you want .html, and create another file and name it style.css or any name that you want, but you need the extensions to be HTML and CSS. It's very basic knowledge. So let's now get into the files. Now let's first declare our HTML by using the doc type declaration, and let's add the head and add our style sheet and link it in the head of the HTML. Now sort our HTML file, add our head, link our style sheet, and now we can create our button. Let's make button class button 1, and yeah, here is the button, and here we can type whatever we want. I'm gonna use this span, which is the like icon or the like emoji from here, from W3 Schools. Here's the emojis reference. Now let's see how we created the button. Let's open the file in the browser. As you can see, here is the button that we created. Now let's style it. Let's make like start and add the class here in style.css button. Let's see what we named it. Yeah, button 1. Need to make it like this. Here, yeah. And now we can add our styling. We also gonna add the styling to the body and HTML. As you can see here, we made the mode of the display as grid, made the height 100%, width 100%, and we want to place the items in the center. And here in button 1, we can add whatever styles that we want. Let's see how it's looking now. As you can see, the button is now in the center. Now this is the styling of the button on its normal state. Now this is the styling I added to button 1, and this is how it looks. As you see, there is nothing happen when I hover over it, so I'm gonna add some effects when hovering. I'm gonna change the color to black and the background to white. Let's change it, and yeah, let's save this and reload the page. As you can see, when I hover, it makes this, and I want it to make a pop when I click, so I'm gonna use the hover effect from hover.css. I'm gonna use pop. It's in the file which I already downloaded from GitHub. Now we took the pop-up code, or the pop CS code, from the hover.css file and added it here, and added the class to here to the button, and changed the button one from class to ID so that we can add the pop-up animation. So now change all the dots before button one to hashes in order to apply these, and then let's reload this. As you can see, it's popping up when I hover over it. And that's it. That's all for today's video. It was very simple and very easy. Hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and hope it was very helpful to many of you who are still beginning their web development path. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials, and stay tuned for more videos.